Well, this is what it looked like on Mount Washington today, where wind chills could reach 100 below zero, and the air temperatures could smash records at 50 below. WBZ meteorologist Jacob Wycoff spoke with some of the researchers on the mountain.
Mount Washington has long been known for the extreme conditions and is even home to the world's worst weather. Today, it's living up to that reputation.
I kind of hear a whistle in the background. Is that the whistle of the wind?
That is indeed. I guess I would apologize for that, but I guess it kind of adds to the ambiance. So yeah, we're currently experiencing winds around 83 miles per hour. We just had a gust around 121 or so.
Francis Tarasiewicz is a weather observer for the nonprofit Mount Washington Observatory, part of the team that maintains the nearly 90-year-old data record.
Overnight, we'll see temperatures likely start around 40 degrees below zero at sunset, and then actually fall to close to our observatory's record of 47 below.
You step outside. How extreme of a day is it out of 10?
I mean, we're getting to like a 9.9 out of 10. This is pretty much as bad as it gets out here.
How quickly does frostbite set in those type of conditions?
So in the conditions that we're in right now up here on the summit, less than a minute or so.
The incredible cold, even dropping atmospheric heights so low that Mount Washington will spend some time in the stratosphere.
One of our more senior observers actually sent me a message over Teams, and he said, be on the lookout for ozone, or rather keep my nose out for some ozone tonight, as we may actually be in the lower part of the stratosphere. That's just how cold this air mass is.
Do you still get a rush, or is there a part of you that's like, what have I gotten myself into?
Certainly, and when we actually explicitly forecasted a record-breaking low, and I kind of saw it blow up on Twitter, I had that exact thought of, oh no, what have I done? This almost feels dreamlike, if you will. Yeah, it's surreal every time.
That dream of Francis's, or nightmare for others, of extreme wind and cold will be fleeting. By Sunday, Mount Washington will be a balmy 20 degrees. I'm meteorologist Jacob Wycoff, WBZ News.